Okay guys, I just want to share my new sit and stand electric desk. This one is Flexispot. Model number is EN1-F. Actually literally assembled it all by myself, so it only takes one person to assemble it. If you have one more person, it will help you, especially when you're lifting the board. It's a little bit heavy, and otherwise I think one person should be able to assemble it easily. And I'm gonna so I already set up the my desired height. So basically all you gotta do is just press this standing icon here, so it will just go to my desired height, as you can see, and it's gonna go almost like a little over 40, I believe. I set it up. Okay, so okay, yep, 40.4 is my desired height. So now when I'm tired standing and working, and next I want to sit down and then resume my work, all I just need to do is press this button here, the sitting position icon here, and it will go to my desired sitting position. So today I just set it up. I will test it, and hopefully this will be a good purchase. It cost me about like $254, everything included, tax. And actually on a day of Memorial Day, the price was dropped to $199. Again, this is the model right here. Okay,